In this video we are going to discuss diodes types and their uses. A diode allows electricity to flow in one direction only and blocks the flow in the opposite direction. They may be regarded as one-way valves and they are used in various circuits, usually as a form of protection. There are different types of diode but their basic functions are the same. Light-emitting diode, LED. It is one of the most popular types of diodes, and when this diode permits the transfer of electric current between the electrodes, light is produced. Avalanche diode. This type of diode operates in the reverse bias, and used avalanche effect for its operation. Laser diode. This type of diode is different from the LED type, as it produces coherent light. These diodes find their application in DVD and CD drives, laser pointers, etc. Schottky diodes. These diodes feature lower forward voltage drop as compared to the ordinary silicon p-n junction diodes. The voltage drop may be somewhere between 0.15 and 0.4 volts at low currents, as compared to the 0.6 volts for a silicon diode. Zener diode. A Zener diode is a type of diode that permits current not only in the forward direction like a normal diode, but also in the reverse direction if the voltage is larger than the breakdown voltage known as Zenini voltage. Photodiode. Photodiodes are used to detect light and feature wide, transparent junctions. Photodiodes can also be used to generate electricity, used as solar cells and even in photometry. Varicap diode or varactor diode. This type of diode feature a reverse bias placed upon it, which varies the width of the depletion layer as per the voltage placed across the diode. Rectifier diode. These diodes are used to rectify alternating power inputs in power supplies. Small signal or small current diode. These diodes assumes that the operating point is not affected because the signal is small. Large signal diodes. The operating point in these diodes get affected as the signal is large. Transient voltage suppression diodes. This diode is used to protect the electronics that are sensitive against voltage spikes. Gold-doped diodes. These diodes use gold as the dopant and can operate at signal frequencies even if the forward voltage drop increases. Super barrier diodes. These are also called as the rectifier diodes. These diodes have the property of low reverse leakage current as that of normal p-n junction diode and low forward voltage drop as that of Schottky diode with surge handling ability. Point contact diodes. The construction of this diode is simpler and are used in analogy applications and as a detector in radio receivers. Peltier diodes. This diode is used as heat engine and sensor for thermoelectric cooling. UN diode. This diode is made of materials like gallium arsenide or indium phosphide that exhibit a negative differential resistance region. Uses. Aside from the many electronic appliances and gadgets we commonly use today, diodes are also used in public facilities. Traffic lights, scoreboards, and vending machines are examples of diode-dependent devices.